Hello friends, today we will discuss how to clear the Chrome browser history. Why we want to clear the history. First of all, I will tell you it is very necessary to clear the Chrome any browser, Chrome like Chrome or Mozilla or Internet Explorer or Edge browser which you are using. Its history is very important and we need to clear periodically. This may affect one advantage of this disadvantage. This may affect the speed and performance of your computer as you surf online, especially if you are low on hard drive capacity. Anyway, clear the cache, free up some space, and may just speed things back again. Also clear your browsing cache. It prevents you to using old form. Also protect your personal information, helps your application run better on your computer, and it's clear your browser cookies, any websites cookies which are tracking your information, like if you are using very bank's account or any credit card online transaction or any other sensitive transactions, then you must need to clear your browser history before to make any transaction, and after when you make the transaction, then you must have to clear the browser history. Friends, let's move to the topic how we can clear the history. First of all, open your Google Chrome. You may also use if you are using Google Chrome, then I am telling about the Google Chrome. If you are using other browser, then you will also need to know the how to clear the history. And go to right top on three dots like here, click on it. Then there are different options like history, downloads, and some other option. We move to history and then click on history, and its short command is Ctrl plus H. If we press Ctrl plus H, then history tab will also open. Click on it. Friends, here are the history which we are browsing different websites today, tomorrow, and some today and some other days before yet, and we want to clear these history. We have to go clear browsing history data on left side and show this clear browsing data. When you click on it, then here are some options. Clear browsing data. Some one is basic and second one is advanced. If we click on basic, then here are some options, some basic option: browsing history, cookies and other data, and cached images and files. It's only clear these things in basic clear browsing history. Friends, here are some options which we want to discuss before to do anything. Time range. Here is last hour. It means we will clear only browsing history last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, 4 weeks, and all the time. All the times mean when we install this browser or when we last time clear the history. So, these are the basic things which we want to clear. And if we go to advanced settings, advanced tab, then here are some more options. These are the options are available in basic, and some are available like password and other sign-in data, autofill form data, site setting, hotspot apps. We need to select all these options and then clear the data. Friends, most of our websites and our other sites are tracking our history, tracking our data through cookies. So we must need to clear the history and clear the cookies of different websites, so we will secure. And sometimes some virus or some trojan and something like informations are downloaded in this area, and we must remove this to protect our system and speed up our system. Friend, this is all about the clear browsing history. Then we click on clear data. It will take some time and will clear OK. And if I again click on history, then you see some histories are still exist. Why it exists? Because we only clear last hour history, and if we clear all time history, then it will be removed like this. And click clear data. Now we will see there will be no history because we clear all time history from the date of installation or from the last time clear the history. As you see, here is no history in your browsing history appears here. Here are no browsing history are shown, so it means all the browsing history are removed. This is all about the how to clear the history in Chrome browser. I think you will understand all the ways how to clear this. For friends to receive more good informative and technical information, technical videos from this channel, please like, subscribe and share my channel, so you will receive latest information from this channel. Thanks. Bye.